Today we're going to find out whether the jackhammer or the baby jackhammer gets it done. Y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so today is a windy, kind of overcast day, and I really like to throw the jackhammer out here, especially whenever it's pretty windy and overcast. It's like the perfect conditions for throwing a jackhammer. But we picked up the new Baby Jackhammer, and we're going to go ahead and see how it does. I'm excited to use it. Gold Shiner seems to be the best color out here, so we're going to be throwing the Gold Shiner in the Baby and in the regular and kind of test out which one does better. So y'all stay tuned, and hopefully we get some big ones. We are starting out with the regular jackhammer, Gold Shiner. We have a freeloader as a trailer. We just got onto the water. I'm hoping, it says it's only like 10% chance of rain. I'm just hoping the rain kind of stays away for us long enough to get a couple fish. So we will see you. But last time I came out here, I was fishing with the jackhammer and caught a nice 5-pounder, a little over 5 pounds. So we will see. Wind's kind of blowing off of this little bank, so I expect there to be some bait fish here, and you know, some of these bass kind of on these little points or corners here. All right, y'all, so there's 3 things that I like to do when it comes to throwing a chatterbait. Is 1, just do a straight up retrieve, just slowly retrieving it through, you know, making sure you feel that vibration of the chatterbait. And then the next thing I really like to do is I like to do some pops. I like to pop it and just keep popping it through. And a lot of times you'll end up getting those reaction bites whenever you pop it. Really works well. Almost like how you would do kind of like yo-yoing a lipless crankbait. And then the last thing that I like to do is you want to just slow retrieve it through grass. That way it gets hung up, and when it gets hung up, you just pop it out of the grass. And those bass really like to strike that chatterbait once it pops out of that grass. Usually any kind of structure you're freeing that chatterbait from, those fish really react to it. So that's realistically all I really do with the chatterbait. But for the most part, I just straight retrieve it and find out I have the most success with it. But definitely you want to have grass present. I think grass is a big player. You know, I treat it as you have a lipless basically, but you were able to work it through grass a lot better. So, oh, that's a fish. That's a fish right there, y'all. Little guy, but we got one. See, as I'm kind of giving you guys talking about it, we catch one. Little dink, but there you go, first fish. But yeah, I mean, that's just it. That was just straight retrieving it. Fish just popped it. So that's really it. But you know, we're just gonna keep doing this. We're gonna throw the Baby Jack, and hopefully we get some size. That guy, I mean, that was like a 7-8 ounce fish. So hoping for a 5 or 6 pounder would be nice. So y'all stay tuned. I mean, I definitely saw some bass popping on on some shad. So there we go. There's another one. It's a little better. A little better of a fish. Still not great, but little guy still. But hey, we're catching fish, so get him back in. We're gonna fish a little bit more with this, and then we'll put the baby on. See if the baby performs any different. Fish. That's actually a good one. There we go. It's a little better, y'all. Not a terrible fish. Roofed him too. Close to a pound and a half, pound and 3/4 maybe. All right, we're gonna give it till 2:30, which will be an hour. I think 2:30 will be about an hour. So after 2:30, we will switch to the baby. Kind of see how the baby does, because I mean, I got high hopes for the baby. Doing a little switch, so yeah, it's been about a little over an hour. You know, the bite slowed down, so I can't say that we're not gonna just get. Yeah, I was gonna put, yeah, this is the, so we're using a longer trailer. I'm hoping that doesn't affect our hookup ratio, but yeah, we're still using I'm gonna be using a big trailer here. So I mean, the blade is a lot smaller. Blade and shank is a lot smaller. All right, y'all, so we were fishing with the big jackhammer for about, the regular jackhammer, I should say, for about a little over an hour. And we caught 3 fish on it, but we got the baby tied on. If you guys can look at these, it's kind of hard to tell, but the head on the bigger one, just a little bit bigger. But the real true test is here is the shank of the hook is a lot shorter on the baby, as well as, I mean, you can see those blades are a lot different. Like the baby one has a way smaller blade on it. So we're gonna give it a good hour or so fishing with it, and yeah, see what we can do. Hopefully catch us a giant. Biggest one so far was the one was like maybe a pound and 3/4. So y'all stay tuned. We'll like freaking put the Baby Jack on and it freaking breaks off first cast. Wow. I might have to get another one of these, dude. I love how, dude, the blade is so much quicker. It really gives off a very subtle, fast vibration. I like this. Dude, this is interesting. So far, I mean, just one cast in, there is a huge noticeable difference in how that blade runs. I mean, the blade, it's definitely a very fast, more subtle blade. I mean, you could feel that hard vibration, but it's more of a, I don't know how to explain it. I really don't. But dude, you easily can burn this thing a lot faster through the water. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, man. Dude, this thing is pretty insane. It is a very, very noticeable difference in how the blade runs. This is interesting. Like the blade, I mean, cuts through the water, like, wow. That's a giant. No. No. Let's go. That's a giant. Look at this, y'all. Dude. Freaking tank, y'all. Let's go. All right. Quick weight. Get him back in. Probably a 6-pounder. It is. Are you kidding me? Five, 575. So let's go. Let's get this baby back in. Woo! All right, let's get you back in, girl. Come on, girl. Another not too bad fish, but so far 2 on the Baby Jack, both better quality than we've been catching. All right, let's get him back in. Well, the audio is going to start to get really bad because we actually had some rain coming in, so I took the mic off. But I mean, we're fishing so good right now, it's like I don't want to stop fishing. Ain't the rain I'm not worried about. It's like lightning and stuff, so as long as it don't do that, we're gonna keep fishing. Dude, freaking donkey. Another one. Dude, look at this. Another freaking tank, dude. We're filling out a bag here, boys. I mean, this has got to be close to a 4. Let's see. It is 376, 379. 379, dude, that was a long fish too, man. We'd be killing it this month with our tournament. I think we caught, I'm pretty sure we caught three fish with the Baby Jack, but all 3 of the fish were quality. I mean, like, one was like a little over 1.5 pounds. The Another one was almost 6. 5, was it 5'8" something? I mean, there's a 4th one. It's another decent fish. Dude, we should have tried to weigh our bag and put up a bag, because that's another quality fish. Nothing big, but so we just got done doing with an hour with the jackhammer and an hour with the Baby Jack. And so in our first hour with the jackhammer, we ended up catching 3 fish, all, you know, two okay fish. Like, I mean, nothing to write home about, but they were like high ones. And then another one that was just a little dink. And, you know, we switched it up after the hour, put the Baby Jack on, and it started slow at first, but we ended up catching one just under 6, one just under 4, and then we caught another like 3 fish. So we caught 5 fish in that hour, and quality fish with the Baby Jack versus just the regular jackhammer. So I'm highly impressed with this. I'm definitely going to pick up some more of these, because what I really like about them is the blade is a very like fast, subtle blade. Like, you can barely feel it, but you could tell it is working overtime, getting that vibration going. Only complaint with the Baby Jack so far is that whenever I'm going to retrieve it, it kind of the blade doesn't start for, you know, it takes a second to start up, versus usually when you throw the jackhammer in, it's already ready to go. But yeah, I mean, that I'm perfectly happy with that for the challenge. So definitely the winner is going to be the Baby Jack. I mean, in that hour we smoked some fish. So we're going to keep fishing. I'm going to throw the Baby Jack, maybe switch back to the jackhammer, but we're going to keep fishing, so y'all stay tuned. Here we go, there's a fish. That was a giant. No. What was I doing? It's another good one, y'all. Well, this is that's actually a good fish. The Baby Jack's still at it. We got another good one here. We're gonna try this other scale. I just want to know, from my own reference, how close these are. So this one, let's make sure is zeroed out. They're zeroed. Saying this is 2 pounds 8 ounces. So that seems spot on. I'd say this is a 2.5 pounder all day. Now let's try this scale we've been using. Dude, this scale is broken. So that one we caught earlier, it's broken. It's not even registering this fish. And we had the one earlier said it was 6. Dude, that sucks, man. But yeah, definitely weren't accurate. So that sucks, man. That sucks. But oh well, y'all. We're gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we get some more. There's definitely some activity going on over here. Yeah, I don't care if it's big or little, whatever. As long as we can weigh it and I can put it on that scale, then I'm... Oh, there it is. There's the fish. Dude, he hit us right at the boat. That's crazy. Stop. Stop. I don't want to get finned. This is kind of ridiculous that I'm... 100% it's broken. Oh, man. Dude. Oh, lost another one. Trying to put a hook in me, bro? All right. I mean, dude, we've caught a ton of fish today. Dude, that was insane. I watched that fish eat it. There was like 3 of them there. That was insane. That was the coolest thing. Dude, there was like a school of like 3 of them. And the one hit it. Y'all, that's going to do it for today. Overall, I mean, I am super impressed with this Baby Jack. It definitely won the day. I mean, we caught tons of fish today. I mean, we had to catch well over 15 fish today, but did super well. Still impressed with the regular jackhammer. If we would have stuck with it, who knows how many fish we could have caught as well. So they're both really good. I really like the vibration of the Baby Jack. I was saying earlier that has a nice subtle fast vibrating action. The overall loser for today though is my scale. I'm like really upset at this Rapala tournament scale because scale was way off. I mean, I measured one that was, 2.5, 3 pounds, and it didn't even really register the weight. So unfortunately we don't have any weights on it, but I think we caught close to probably 20 pounds of fish today. So scale's overall loser. I'm going to pick up one of those Bubba scales for the future, so that way we can kind of keep the totals and everything. But overall, fun day. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys would, please like and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, peace.